The 400 series Gaggenau gas cooktop, handcrafted in France, showcases the ingenuity and advanced technology found only in Gaggenau appliances. Yes, there are 5 perfectly machined brass burners with varying BTU outputs, but it is the unique electronic power regulation that sets this cooktop apart from all others. These exclusive controls that mirror the professional kitchen principle ensure precise, repeatable results every time that makes this cooktop unlike any other. With a typical gas burner, you can only approximate the flame level, that is to say medium-high or medium-low, every time you cook a dish. But with these electronic controls, you can achieve repeatable results by using the same number you used last time, knowing the flame height will be exactly the same. Taking the guesswork out of cooking is certainly one way to ensure consistent results. Solid brass burners with multiple rings for the flame output ensure even heat distribution to all the areas of both larger and smaller pans. Solid brass has been used by Gaggenau for decades for its superior heat retention qualities and the precisely engineered, perfectly round ports that ensure a more powerful delivery of the flame over and over again, not only for the first day, but for a decade later. 5 burners of varying BTU output provide options for every type of cooking. While the delicate simmer on each burner may allow you to heat milk, melt chocolate, or simmer a sauce, choosing the appropriate output will definitely give you better control over the process. After all, cooking with fire alone can lead to burned food, whereas cooking with refined burners gives you precise and repeatable control over the process. The center burner features 3 rings for the flame output and 18,800 BTUs. This burner can be used for high heat cooking and also when cooking large quantities of food in extra large pans. A flat bottom wok can be placed directly on the cast iron grate, and round bottom woks can be used in conjunction with the wok support. And if pasta is on the menu, this is the burner that will bring a large pan of water quickly to boil and maintain a perfect rolling boil while cooking the pasta. When using this burner for cooking large quantities of food, the entire process can be completed without moving the pan. Simply lower the heat to the desired setting and the food will cook at a moderate or gentle simmer to achieve perfect results. The pan can also be left in place at the lowest setting to keep the food warm for serving without risk of burning or evaporating a sauce. The high output burner featuring 13,600 BTUs also works well for searing and sauté and for gently simmering a pan chicken dish or making a risotto. Because of the amazing control of the power levels, the burner can also be used to gently scramble eggs or make an omelette. The standard output 6,800 BTU burner is of course suited to simmering and cooking grains without risk of a boil over, and it is also suitable for melting chocolate and butter and reducing a sauce. However, with this cooktop, you are not limited to using a specific burner for simmering because each burner is calibrated to simmer at the lowest possible temperature using the delicate simmer function to as low as 570 BTUs. When the delicate simmer function is selected, the burner will cycle on and off in intervals. This action of the flame igniting then turning off maintains the heat in the brass burner at a consistent temperature, ensuring food in the pan stays warm without risk of evaporating liquids or burning food. When using the delicate simmer on multiple burners at once, the cycling will synchronize. It should be noted that all pans relate differently to heat, so for best results, it is recommended to heat pans over moderate heat before adding the cooking oil and increasing the temperature. Choose the appropriate burner for the type of food you are cooking and the size pan you are using. For optimal performance, pans of up to 12 5/8 inch diameter can be used on the center burner, while pans of up to 11 inches diameter can be used on the other burners. The cooktop can be installed on the surface with a visible edge or flush mounted, and for custom installations to expand the cooking options, the cooktop can be combined with the other Vario 400 series appliances by using a connecting strip. Gas is an exciting medium to cook with, and the refinement of the Gaggenau 400 series gas cooktop will be much appreciated by all chefs. But be assured, there is no sacrifice in the excitement of cooking with this powerful medium.